Welcome once again in the new question of accounting ratios related to paper 2017 supplementary, and same question is appeared in paper 2019 annual for Punjab University. So let's start the question. Question is that from the following trading and profit and loss account relate to Kashif Chemicals, you are required to calculate gross profit ratio, operating profit ratio, operating ratio, net profit ratio, and stock turnover ratio. So first of all, gross profit ratio, which is equals to gross profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. So gross profit is given here in the data, that is 150,000, and sales is 280,000. So simply just divide these two and multiply the result with 100. So answer is 53.57. The next one is operating profit ratio, which is equals to operating profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. So first of all, to calculate operating profit, you need to calculate some calculations. So calculation is that just to calculate operating profit, just add up non-operating expenses in net profit and just subtract non-operating income from operating out of net profit. So net profit is given in the question, and that is 80,000, and your non-operative income is interest on debentures and expenditure, and your non-operative income is interest on investment, that is 2,000. So simply just add up non-operating expenses here and just subtract non-operative income from net profit, and result is your net operating profit, that is 8600. So 86,000 divided by net sales, that is 280,000, which is given in the question, multiply by 100, so 30.71. The next one ratio is operating ratio, that is equals to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales. So first of all, what are your operating expenses? Operating expenses are those expenses which you put on your main business, for example salaries, rent, insurance, advertisement. Those are given in the data: salaries, rent, insurance, and advertisement. These are your operating expenses. So the sum of all these expenses is 64,000, and cost of sales, just simply subtract this gross profit from sales, and the rest is your cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold is 130,000 plus operating expenses 64,000 divided by net sales 280,000 multiplied by 100, and the result is 69.28. After that, net profit ratio is simply equals to net profit divided by net sales multiplied by 100. So your net profit is 80,000 and net sales is 280,000 multiplied by 100, and result is to 28.57%. After that, stock turnover ratio is equals to cost of sales divided by average stock. So cost of sales we already calculated here 130,000. Just simply 280,000 minus 150,000 is equals to 130,000, and that is your cost of sales. And opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2, 10,000 plus 20,000 divided by 2 is your average stock. So here calculation is given, 15,000 is your average stock. So just put up these figures in the formula, 130,000 divided by 15,000, and ratio is 8.67 ratio 1. So this was the question of 2019 and 2017 supplementary. So for next question, Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, take care of yourself and other persons around you, and wait for next question. Thank you.